Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about how we can identify the problems and things running in your computer using Task Manager. So let's start the video. So to find Task Manager, go to the search bar and task and type task. You will see the option and click on it. You can also find that by right click on the taskbar and click on the Task Manager option. Now when you open that tab, you can see there is nothing much to see. For further details, click on More Details. Now a proper screen with lot of options will open in front of you. Now you need to understand what these options are. First of all, there is an option of processes. Under that, there is list of all the processes that are running in your computer. You can see and click on any of that. Now you can click on any of that and there is a button of End Task at the very right bottom of the page, by which you can end or turn off any task or process running in your computer. After that, there is an option of Performance. With that option, you can check the performance of the system, like how well your CPU is performing and how much of CPU is being used by which process. You can also check the memory status along with the disks and GPU. After that, you can see an option App History. By App History, you can see which app was opened or used at which time and which resources are used by that app. After that, there is an option of Startup. That is the list of applications that will be started automatically when you start your computer every time. You can enable or disable that by selecting and then clicking on the button that is on the very right bottom of the screen. After that, there is an option of Users. As you can see, at the moment there is only one user. You can manage users from there. After that, there is an option of Details, by which you can see there is a list of processes that are running. You can see that which process is running by which user. You can also find the process ID from there. And you can also get to know that how much memory and CPU is used by which process. After that, there is the option of Services. There is a list of all the services that are running in the backend. I will suggest you to do not change or stop anything there, because that will cause problem in your system. Thank you guys, that was it for today's video. If you want to learn more things like that, then please just subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. See you in the next video.